Before we start this video, please go over to ARC Garage. They have a lot of good videos about Alfa Romeos and solutions to different problems. Go over there and learn something new. Hello and welcome to GT Races. While I wait for other things to clean and dry, I can do another video, I was thinking. And I want to do a small review of Ramair's cold air intake, or cold enclosed air intake. Because I have taken it out of the car and looked through it, because I've been testing the air intake in my car for quite a while now. So I feel like I can give a good review of how it works. Performance, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. Yeah, something like that. Let's start with performance. As you know, in an early video where I first put it in and I tried it, I of course felt an increase in how fast my car revs up. It was a much bigger response than I actually thought. The engine feels much fresher, quicker, and much more fun to drive. So yeah, that way. And also because of the original air intake, the big airbox was very suffocating for the engine, and that is nothing new. Everyone knows that about the GTs. So performance, I'm very happy with this. You know, I put in a Novitec GP1, you know, the throttle response, small thing, and as someone commented, I don't know, somewhere, yeah, the air intake gives me a much more faster throttle response in the engine than the machine that fools the ECU to react faster when I push down the throttle. So yes, I recommend a better air intake. Okay, let's look at the air intake. Here we have it, straight from the car. A little bit dirty, of course, it's exposed, hanging underneath. Let's open it up and look inside. As you can see, it's very easy to open up, it's only clamps. And of course, we start now with a big clamp. And of course, the air sucks in here and goes from here up into the engine. Yes, you understand that. And when we open it up, we have the filter. And this is a non-oil foam filter with a very metallic nose. I don't know why. And this is how it works. And you see inside, it's just a big hollow room. And this is in here, so the air is coming this way and goes around this. So I think this metal thing is probably a protection, because if you suck in anything, probably it will hit here and not hit in the foam. And I think that is the idea. I don't know. But as you see, the filter is working very well. There's no problems with them. Inside here it's not dirty at all. And there's no oil in it. But of course, I have sucked in some dust and stuff. I had the intake in the nose for a short while. I got a little bit scared because I was afraid that if this sucks in water, you can imagine water in here, straight up here. How much water you think before this foam filter is just filled with water and then starts sucking it up into the engine? So I have decided to, no, we don't do this anymore. So the product, the quality of this, the foam is good. This thing I have no problem with, this big rubber thing. This is aluminium encasing. And this is the idea of this one will be protected from the heat in the engine bay by this aluminium. I think it works. I don't know actually. You should need to try to like racing testing it. You know, really drive the engine hard and have some, you know, thermometers to actually see what the temperature is. The thing that I don't like with Ramair, that is this aluminium hose. It's a very light, it's like, you know, you stretch it once and then you need to have that shape, otherwise it breaks. This is too fragile. If you remove it on and off a couple of times, this will break. Already, you see, this part is connected to the original plastic hose in the Alfa, and this is breaking already. I already have a hole in here, could be a stone jumping up. Here you see really bad damage by scuffing, probably it's scuffing of vibration, and this will soon go straight through. I mean, I will have a hole for real. and yeah, more damage here. So I would say this doesn't work at all. I think I will take, you know, right now silver tape and just roll this with silver tape to make it hold a little bit longer. But I need to find the replacement for this, but this doesn't work. And so, what is my conclusion of this Ramair enclosed cold air intake? Performance-wise, it is a good product. It works. Your engine sucks in much more air. The engine feels much more faster and fresher and everything. It's a good product for performance-wise. Quality, this foam filter, it's good. I like the shape of it, and I like the idea of how it works with the aluminium encasing for heat protection. This works too. The only thing is the rubbish hose. This doesn't work at all. I need to replace it because it will soon break completely. So if I give it a grade between 0 to 5, where do I put Ramair closing intakes? I would say it's a strong 3, really. It gets like strong 4 for performance, but a little bit of the quality is dragging it down, so strong 3. I could imagine myself in the future looking at other types of air intakes for my Alfa. This works for now, but I still think that I could look for some other solutions too. Well, this is all for this video. I hope you liked it. Please go and see my other videos, or give me comments, about what I can do for videos, because that's always fun. Yeah, I think this is for this. And until next time, have a very good day and see you soon again. Goodbye.